This is my first video, so I'm going to try and keep it quick and easy. Complementary angles and supplementary angles, they're basically rules that you can follow that help you find unknown angles and values inside of these types of diagrams. We have supplementary on the right and complementary on the left. You can recognize complementary angles by this little L shape. It's always a 90-degree angle. You know this because of this square, but sometimes teachers don't really like to include that. In this L, to find the X value, you need to understand that this angle between the L, the bottom and the top, or in some cases side and top and side and bottom, they always add up to 90 degrees exactly, no more nor less. So if you want to find your unknown value, in this case it's X, you gotta take away the values you know that are inside of your 90-degree angle, in between these two outer lines. You can do that by doing 90 minus 37, and that would be 53, and that is your final angle. That's your X value. X equals 53 degrees. There we go. You can do this for anything really, anything with this L shape. Here you do 90, it's always 90, minus 75, because that's the value you know, and X equals, there you go, what is it, 15? X equals 15 degrees. Make sure to always add this little degree symbol for those points. Now supplementary angles. You can recognize supplementary angles because it's always another straight line that intersects, like it crosses or it stops in between the two ends of another line. Either side of this line will always equal to 180 degrees. So to find your unknown value, you gotta take the values you know away from 180. Basically like this. 180 minus 118 is equal to X. Oh well. It's also equal to 62 degrees. That's your final answer, 62 degrees. If you add these two numbers up to check your answers, you can add the two numbers up, and if they equal 180, you got it. Here, you add the two numbers up, they equal 90, you got it. Just do it for this example too. 180 minus 77 is equal to 103. That's your final answer for this question too. Y equals 103 degrees. Alright, that pretty much sums it up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.